Imagine a world where the simplest of substances, water, could power our machines. For decades, inventors poured their hopes into this vision. In cluttered garages and dim workshops, poured their hopes into this vision. In cluttered garages and dim workshops, they filled tanks with tap water, waiting for the miracle of motion. The idea was irresistible: endless energy, clean and abundant, flowing from every faucet. It was a dream of liberation, of a future where humanity would never fear scarcity again. Our headlines blazed with promises of water-powered cars. Rumors spread of secret prototypes hidden away by oil companies desperate to protect their empire. Each retelling added fuel to the fire, and the myth grew stronger. Across generations, the story captured imaginations: a car that could run forever, powered by nothing more than the liquid of life. Could it be true? Could water itself replace gasoline, freeing us from dependence on fossil fuels? But science tells a different story. Water, H2O, is not fuel. It is the ash of fire, the stable end product of combustion. Its molecules are tightly bound, already at their lowest energy state. To burn water is impossible because it has already been burned. The dream collides with the laws of thermodynamics. Energy cannot be created from nothing. The myth falters under the weight of reality. Yet within water lies a hidden treasure: hydrogen. Through electrolysis, electricity can split water into hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen burns cleanly, releasing energy and leaving only water vapor behind. It is powerful, versatile, and abundant. But here lies the catch: splitting water requires more energy than burning hydrogen returns. The cycle cannot sustain itself. The water engine, as imagined, remains a fantasy, but hydrogen itself points toward a real future. Still, the myth persists. Devices are sold claiming to turn water into fuel on demand. Demonstrations dazzle with sparks and steam. But behind the curtain, the truth is simple: these systems consume more energy than they produce. They are not engines of water, but engines of illusion. Physics is unforgiving, and perpetual motion remains impossible. The dream, in its purest form, is a mirage. Yet the dream is not entirely lost. Hydrogen fuel cells, powered by hydrogen extracted from water, are real. They drive cars, power buses, and promise cleaner cities. Renewable energy, solar, wind, hydro, can provide the electricity needed to split water sustainably. In this way, water becomes not the fuel itself, but the vessel that carries hydrogen, the fuel of tomorrow. The myth transforms into science, and science into innovation. The water engine, as once imagined, cannot exist, but the vision it inspired lives on. From myth grew motivation, and from motivation, progress. The truth is not as simple as pouring water into a tank, but it is far more powerful. For in the pursuit of impossible dreams, humanity discovers what is truly possible.